Hi everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to my YouTube video. So today I'm going to take the review of the Gome U7 smartphone. This is a brand called as Gome which I've never heard of. But I was really astonished when I got this phone because it offers amazing features for its low price. These are all the contents that I got it with the package. I got the Gome U7 smartphone, a SIM ejector tool, a manual and a USB Type-C charger, and this is used to plug your headphone jack. This phone does not have a headphone jack. You just need to connect this, the charging port, and then you can connect it to your headphones. And the manual is totally written in Chinese, and you can see how shiny and glossy it looks without this case. And this case also I got with this smartphone. The looks of this smartphone looks really well, and it looks very well built. The smartphone looks very stylish and glossy from the back, and you could see the Gome branding bottom of the smartphone, and it has golden borders at the back, and it has USB Type-C port and a microphone and a speaker grill, and it has fingerprint scanner and iris unlock, which works really well. So I've installed an application called the Open Camera, and with this application I am able to record my video in 4K Ultra HD with this smartphone. I'm just going to take a picture of this robot using this smartphone, and you could see how the image looks. It looks really well. The colors are really nice. The sharpness is also good. Focus is also working really well. And these are some of the photos that I shot with this Gome U7 smartphone, and you could see the color saturation is a little bit more, and the dynamic range looks really well. The photos look really sharp and clear. In the low light mode, the camera loses a little bit of clarity and it's a little bit grainy, but the smartphone is really amazing for its price. And if you want to buy the smartphone, the link of the smartphone is in the description of this video. At its price, it offers dual SIM, 4G, 4 GB of RAM, 3050 mAh battery, 5.99 inch, and 13 megapixel front and back camera. A memory. It supports a memory card up to 256 gigabytes. It offers Android 7.1. It supports dual SIM card, and it's ultra slim, and it's easier to carry and looks more fashionable. And the touch displays offer a more interactive experience. Reading, browsing internet and watching videos is more pleasing experience on a bigger screen like this. The images, videos and text will looks more sharp and clear. Images look sharp and clear in the screen. Text is easier to read. It has higher resolution camera for taking sharp and clear photos, and flash for camera. And it has a lot of storage, 64 GB of storage. It offers a MediaTek Helio P25 processor. It has compass, it supports GPS, support video player, support Wi-Fi 4G. And I'm just going to play a YouTube video and check how this works. The audio quality looks really good, as you heard it, and the display also looks really nice and sharp, and you could see how the curved display looks. It really looks gorgeous. and there is no stutter in the video. And I was also amazed to find out in the smartphone it offers triple biometric security. It has fingerprint scanner, iris ID, which I'll just show you in a second. So now you can see the camera and my iris. So it's just going to detect my iris. So I'm just going to scan my iris first. So if you would like, it has an option called iris unlock and unlock your phone with iris. I'm just going to take it on. And I've tested the iris scanner for a while and it just takes a little bit time to unlock. You need to take both of your eyes in front of the iris and it just unlocks. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my video and press the bell icon to get notification.